To finish this off, we just have 3 more questions. And the first one is saying if an engineer designed a bike that weighed 1 pound, predict the minimum jump height. So if we plug that back into this equation down here, we have the height of a bike that weighs 1 pound is equal to negative 3.789 times 1 plus 155.375. Alright, so we're just subtracting, because anything times 1 is the same thing. We're subtracting 3.789 from 155.375. 155.375 minus 3.789 gives us 151.586 inches. And it says it wants it in inches to the nearest hundredth of an inch. So hundredth, this is tens, hundredths, that would round up to a 9. All right. So that's one answer. And in feet and inches to the nearest inch. So we're going to take this number. We have inches. We want feet. There's 12 inches in every 1 foot. We're going to take that divided by 12 because 12 is on the bottom. And we end up getting decimal feet. This will be 12.63 feet. And if we have 0.63 feet, we have feet. We want inches. There's 12 inches in every 1 foot. We'll multiply the 0.63 times 12. Is 7.56 inches. So this is 12 feet. 7.56 inches. So, you tell me, does the predicted height for a 1 pound bike make sense? Does it make sense if we made a 1 pound bike and we went over a little ramp that would pop over 12 feet up into the air? Probably not. So no. This is only good for a small range of values. It's really hard to write with this, by the way. My handwriting isn't normally this bad. So no, it's only good for a small range of weights, small range of values. And yeah, you can see that it's really just this area right in here that is accurate. Anything above that or below that may or may not be. As it starts to get lower and lower in weight, it starts to become, first off, less possible to actually build something that lightweight. And then the numbers up here, because of the fact that it is a linear equation, they just get crazy. I think at some point gravity is going to take effect, and our graph should look something more like this, which is not a linear equation. It's more of a, well, it's a different kind of a curve. If the minimum jump height of 89.7 inches is recorded, could you predict the estimated weight of the bike? I'm going to set this one up for you and leave it for you for homework. You have 89.7 inches. and that was the height of our bike, right? Is equal to negative 3.789 times W. We're finding weight plus 155.375. You're solving for W. Best of luck to you, and the rest of the worksheet, good luck as well. It's the same kind of setup that we did with all the other ones before. If you get confused, go back and look at some of the puzzle cube stuff from the first and the second and the third question. It all should be really familiar, and there's no reason why you should not get that.